Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? Let us find. Here it is given that total voters, here we are solving this problem, that is given total voters is equal to 15,000 voters. 15,000 voters. Total voters is equal to 15,000. Right? Now percentage of 60% voted. That is percentage of, find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Percentage of voters, percentage of voters, who cast their vote, who cast their vote is equal to 60%. Right? Therefore, percentage of voters who did not vote, is equal to 100 minus 60%. 100 minus 60, that means 40%. Right? Therefore, you can say actual candidates who did not vote. Therefore, actual candidates who did not vote, is equal to 40% of 15,000 is equal to 40% of 15,000, because total voter is 15,000. Therefore, you are getting 40 by 100 of means multiply 15,000. 1 5 3 0 1 2 3. This 0 and this 0 will cut, this 0 will cut, and it becomes 15 for just 60 and 2 0. Therefore, actual candidates who did not vote is 6,000. Right? This is the answer. Therefore, 6,000 candidates did not vote. Hence 6,000 candidates did not vote. 6,000 candidates did not vote. Did not cast their vote. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.